you're such a beautiful thing. Butterflies in your tummy and all that smiling. They say that he will be the man of your dreams. Get down on one knee and live happily ever after. But now I know it's not how stories always go. They made us believe that mommies and daddies would never give up and would always be happy. I believed everything said that my life would play out like my sweetest memories. But now I know it's not how stories always play out in playback. Whoever said that, who made me believe that I'm following train tracks? Clouds of silver lining, who gave me hope of finding hope to live this life I'm living. But now I see the pain in their eyes, the hurt in their tears, the fear in their cries. But I'm holding on to the possibility that reality will be proven wrong. And now I know it's not how stories always go. Reality finally hit me, and now I know it's not how stories always go.